All right, my friends, let's do this. You never seen a breakfast like that ever in your life. First, let's shred some cabbage and put some oil, sunflower seed oil and olive oil on hot pan. Now cabbage in. After that, let's shred some mushrooms. Chop them up into the medium-sized pieces like so and add them into cabbage. Now start mixing and you will cook everything on medium heat. For now, then you will reduce it to low heat. Let's add spices. This is a clove spice, really nice and natural, so delicious. Now tomatoes, basil, and garlic with some salt a little bit, of course, and some chicken spice. Add it in there and salt everything with sea salt. So good, yummy, tasty, and delicious. Like this. Now you have to give it a little stir, mix it up a little bit, and this whole thing you will cook for 25 minutes on low heat. Let's add some hot sauce, so good, and soy sauce. This is going to be so much flavor, just like ratatouille likes it. Now let's mix everything together again, so flavor is spread evenly. Shut the lid. Beautiful. Now let's even cut some garlic and shred some onions also. Look at that, some red onions, so good. Half of the onion and one garlic. Add in there after 5 minutes. Mix everything. So delicious. Wow, smells so good. I love it. Now cover with lid. So good. After 5 minutes, let's see. If it's too dry, we're going to add some water. You don't want cabbage to get too dry, so we're going to add water in there. And we're going to shut the lid and cook it for 15 more minutes, like so, on a low heat. Now sausage. Chop up the sausage. This is going to be King's breakfast. Now some butter on the hot pan, like so. Melt the butter and add the sausage. So yummy. Now the eggs. Look at that. Add 3 eggs or 4 if you like. It's going to be so yummy, tasty, and delicious. Cover with lid and salt the yolks. So good. Yes, now cover with the lid and wait for 3 minutes, then turn off the heat and let eggs finish themselves off. Flip the sausage. Don't over fry it. You just want a little crispy, like so. Let's see. Nice. Look at that. You think it's stuck? It's not stuck. It's not. Look at that. It comes off perfectly because it's on the low heat. Service. Breakfast is so good and delicious. A little cabbage and mushrooms and onions. So yummy. Now, let's top it up with the sausage. I'm salivating. This is so yummy. Look at this, my friends. So tasty and delicious. And I added a little taste of caviar on butter and bread sandwich. So good. Smells so good. Let's try it. So yummy. Delicious. Like, share, and subscribe, my friends. So good.